Hi, I'm Steph.
And I'm Vicki
from MotherDaughterProjects.com.
And this is the Husky Gravity Feed HVLP spray gun. Husky HVLP high volume low pressure technology provides high material transfer efficiency, eliminates paint waste, and requires lower air volume. With a smooth, comfortable trigger pull, this Husky HVLP spray gun is ideal for high volume paint applications like car refurbishing, industrial, and woodwork. Husky spray guns feature stainless steel needles and precision air caps for reliability and perfect paint atomization. All Husky spray guns have the controls located at the rear of the gun to allow comfortable use by left and right hand operators.
This gun is not suitable for latex paint. A 30-gallon air compressor is recommended with operating pressure at 40 psi. Comes with a 600cc cup. Don't forget to check the manual for the spray gun to see the complete list of recommendations for the air line setup. To get started, follow the manufacturer instructions for your compressor. Check the regulator to ensure the spray gun is receiving a maximum of 40 psi. Thin your material according to the paint manufacturer's instructions and strain into the 600cc cup to the 3/4 maximum capacity. Keep the nozzle 6 to 9 inches from your work surface, keeping the spray gun at a right angle. Once complete, ensure the air line is shut off and drain the air before removing the tool. The gun is easy to clean and comes complete with a cleaning brush set and multi-wrench.
Order today at HomeDepot.com.